Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Prachi Kulkarni, fertility specialist, 49 Fertility Center, Banjara Hills. Many times patient ask us, how do you make sure that it is our own egg and sperm or it is our own embryo? So there are different witnessing system. In the olden times, there used to be manual witnessing, which means there will be people in the lab like embryologist or junior embryologist, andrologist, who will witness that these gametes or this embryo belongs to this patient. They will cross check the entries. But now in today's time, when there is a risk of gamete mismatch or wrong embryo getting transferred, we need a system which is more accurate and more definite to make sure that the embryo or the gametes belong to the same couple. So what we do in our center is we use RI witness system. RI witness system is an electronic witness system. There are cards which are given to the patients which are similar to these cards. These cards have the chip inside. So the cards are given to husband and wife both. Then we put a sticker on the card so that the patient knows that this is their own card. So these cards the couple are supposed to carry to the center whenever they have procedure like IUI or IVF, embryo transfer, egg pickup. So what we do is this card is put in a card reader in the lab, in the pickup lab or embryo transfer lab, and this card then reflects into the system of our embryologist. So there are different RI tags which look like this, and there is this RI tag is then put onto the patient's petri dishes where we carry the patient's semen sample or eggs or embryos. And if a particular patient's card, suppose patient A's card is in the card reader, the tag which belongs to the same patient will be on the dish. So this reads as the same patient. By mistake, if suppose a different patient's dish with a different RI tag is put near the working station, then the system gives us alarm. So we know that there is a mismatch. So this is RI witness system. Also what we do is there will be barcoding of the straws where we freeze the embryos. The barcode will also be read by a barcode reader to know the patient details and to make sure that we are using the correct egg, correct sperm and correct embryo for the couple. So this actually reduces the manual strain on the embryologist even if the workload is more, and also it ensures with guarantee that the couple is getting their own gametes or their own embryo. So this is about RI witness system. So if you are considering IVF, please make sure that your IVF center has RI witness system so that you will be stress free for the gamete mismatch. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.